Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have two square side by side. Above this square, there is another square between these two square. The side length of every square is 3 units, and we have to find the area of this green region. At first, focus on this triangle A, B, C, this triangle, and C, D, E. In these two triangles, this angle B is 90 degree because this is the angle of this square. Similarly, this angle D is also 90 degree as this is the angle of this square. So this B is equal to this D, and this angle is equal to this angle, and the side length of this AB, this is equal to the side length DE. These two sides are equal because both are the side of this two square, and this length is 3 units. As this two angle and this side is same, so these two triangle are congruent. So the area of this triangle ABC and this CDE are same. Consider this area is A, so this area, this is also A. And if this area is B, we have to find the area of B plus A. And as this as same as this, so the area of A plus B, which is equal the area of this square. As the side length of this square, this is 3 units, so the area of this square is this 3 square, which is 3 square is 9, as the area of this square is 9 square unit, so this A plus B, this is 9. So A plus B, this is 9 square unit, and this A and this B is the area of this green region. So the total area of this green region is 9 square unit. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.